All right, thanks for tuning in. So I've talked to you about my favorite fragrance-free body wash, and now I want to show you my favorite fragrance-free face wash. So this is what I personally use and have been using for years. This is Cetaphil Gentle Foaming Cleanser. Now it's really important when you're out looking, Cetaphil makes a couple different types of cleansers. They're not one of those companies that makes a lot, but there are two different ones, and one is fragrance free and one isn't. So the gel cleanser, like this, that comes in a bottle, that shape, that is not fragrance free. This one is a foaming cleanser and it is fragrance free. So the important thing about fragrance free is that it lacks some of the chemicals used, the perfumes that are added sometimes to products to make them smell nice, but those same things really can irritate your skin. And for me, I have very sensitive skin, so I like to use fragrance free products, at least sometimes when my skin is irritated, and this is the one that I find the most useful. If you want to try this face wash, I put a link below in the notes. It does link over to Amazon.com, and I also put a note about the two different cleansers, one versus the other, that are very similar, so you'll be able to tell the difference. And since you can't smell online, it is fragrance free, and I love that. So if you found this video helpful, I hope you subscribe to my channel. I continue to publish once a week with new information. Take care.